Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer N19H2 is showing 0% even when charging, you're not alone. This often occurs due to a failing battery that can no longer hold a charge. If left unaddressed, it may lead to further complications, including potential damage to the internal components of your device. Now, let's gather the tools you will need for this repair. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement battery compatible with the Acer N19H2. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. To begin, ensure your device is powered off completely. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back cover, keeping them in a safe place. Carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, starting from a corner and working your way around. Be gentle to avoid cracking the plastic. Once the back cover is off, locate the battery. It is usually secured with adhesive and may have a connector that needs to be unplugged. Gently disconnect the battery cable using your tweezers. Now, carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. If it is stuck, you may need to apply a little more pressure, but do this cautiously. Once removed, take your replacement battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery cable securely. Now, it's time to reassemble your device. Align the back cover and press it down gently until it clicks into place. Replace all screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened but not overdone, as this could strip the threads. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring in the future, ensure you charge your device regularly and avoid letting the battery drain completely too often. Keeping your software updated can also help manage battery health. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.